Dr. Krishnan, there's been a lot of talk about evidence-based policies and the need to gather further evidence when it comes to specifically to NCDs. And even the National Blueprint showcases some of these studies and best practices. I'm interested to see what you think about how these best practices would help the government and the private sector provide effective interventions.
We can always keep generating evidence, but at the same time we have to realize that there is enough evidence to act. Well, we need to continue collecting evidence. I think there is sufficient evidence available for most basic activities to take place. And it has come from India, it has come from other countries. It is not necessary that every evidence has to come from India. Most of these evidences are applicable across the board, across the countries. But at the same time, there may need some adjustment or adapting to the national context. The role of private sector, that's in generating evidence, I would say has not been that good in the Indian context. The problem is not that they don't generate evidence, they quite often do much better research than the public one, but it is not that well shared. It does not come that much into the public forums and is not in scientific literature. I'm saying many of these research done in industry, especially is related to diet behavior or physical activity. They use it when they market their products. Obviously, they do a far better work of research, and it is evident in the terms of the products that they sell. They manage to sell their products, whereas we are not able to sell our products because we don't do enough homework in terms of generating evidence which enables us to do what we want to do. So in that sense, the government has to change the way it generates evidence and uses its evidence, and public sector, and also enable the private sector to share its evidence, and private sector also has to be more maybe publicly minded and learn to use its resources for public good rather than for private good.